Hey there, Neil Hibbard here with TechBargains.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Google TV app, available for free in the iTunes App Store for your iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad. Now what this app does is it basically tries to mimic all the functionality of this big bulky remote control. You can see there's lots of buttons there. So this is definitely more streamlined, and you also have the ability to enter in information via your voice. Okay, right off the bat here, you'll notice that you can actually now control your TV right from your app. So you can turn it on and off, you can change the volume and mute it, change channels, you can also change the input on your TV. Now this is the screen that will come up when you first start the app, and if you want to move left, right, up and down, or select enter, you can do that right here in the middle of the app. Now since we have the TV on here, let's check out some of the functionality. You can mute it, you can turn the volume up or down. If you want to go ahead and change the channel, you can do that right here. Now, if you know the name of a show that you want to go to, but you're not quite sure what channel it's on, you can try searching. So we'll go ahead and do a voice search. Jimmy Kimmel. Jimmy Kimmel. Now, if you hit search, you'll bring the on-screen display up, and there it shows that it's on channel 10 there. Go ahead and select it, and you go right to it. Now, if you know the number of channel you want to go to, you can either enter it in here on your text entry, or you can enter it in the voice. 759. Now, if you're entering in a number of a channel, you want to hit send, and that'll take you right to the channel. So just right there, with the ability to control your TV and the cable box, this app really has a lot of great functionality. Now we're going to hit back, and we're going to go to the Google home page here, or the home screen. Now, when you get here, you can actually use this top part of the screen to control the on-screen cursor. This works really well. If you want to control just up and down, you can do that again right here. But we found the on-screen cursor to be pretty good in ability to control different stuff on the screen. Now, most of the apps on the Google TV are fairly straightforward, up and down, selecting things with the mouse. So I thought we'd take a look at an app, web page here. Here we see we have techbargains.com, and again, using the directional pad, you can move up and down in the web page. If you bring up the screen again, you can also page down and page up, which is nice if you're trying to get down farther in a page. Now, when you are on a page, if you hold down one finger on here, you can use the other finger to move up and down or around. So this is really nice. Instead of using the directional pad, you can go farther in the web page with less movement. Now, if you want to try pinching a zoom, you can do that. Now we'll see if it actually works. We've found that it's a little laggy, it's a little buggy. Sometimes we'd do the pinch to zoom, and it either wouldn't happen, or there you can see it happens kind of 2 or 3 seconds later. So that's something that's definitely they're going to need to fix if you're going to want to use that regularly. But otherwise, you can select links right here on the page, and we found this to be easier to use than the remote that comes with the Google TV. Now, overall, we really like this app. If you have an iPhone and you have a Google TV, we would definitely recommend getting this app. We found it to be easier to use than the remote control. Some of the things we liked about it were the ability to enter in text via your voice or via the screen, the keypad here. This made it a lot easier in dimly lit or dark situations. Also, we like the ability that this thing replaces 2 or 3 of our remote controls. Also, if you come in the room and you can't find it, well, most of the time your smartphone's right on you, so you can just use that instead of the remote control. Some of the things we didn't like so much were the Fling 2 feature that you can get with the Android app, where you can actually, if you're watching a YouTube video, you can fling it to your Google TV and send it automatically there. Also, we did notice that with the text entry, see if we can focus there, when you're entering in text on here, on the screen on the Google TV it'll show up, but it won't show up here on your iPhone. So if you're having trouble seeing it on screen, you may not know what you're entering. Also, with the voice search, we found that sometimes it would cut us off, or it would catch extra words, so they might want to fix that a little bit. We'd also like to see this area be maybe a little bit bigger, because that may be some of the problems we were having with the zooming, was just not enough room to fit all our fingers on there. We got kind of big fingers. Other than that, we would definitely recommend this app, and we really can see ourselves using this instead of even our cable remote control or our TV remote control. So we've started using this more and more. All right, if you like this review and you'd like to see more like it, please head on over to www.youtube.com/user/techbargains, and there you can sign up for our video feed to see more reviews just like this. Thanks. Bye-bye.